Hot Wheels BMW M3 Wagon. The BMW M3 is the high-performance version of the BMW 3 Series, produced since 1986. The first generation, known as the E30, was engineered by Klaus Luther and designed as a homologation special for DTM and Group A touring car rules. They were mainly produced in the coupe body style. This casting is a custom two-door wagon version of an E30 BMW M3. No such version was available from the factory. This casting is a modification of June Imai's '92 BMW M3 casting. It features a wound-down driver's side window and surfboards in the rear, the latter being used to cover up the rivet post.